Hi sir, I'm Rosemary Ann C. Sanchez from BSIT4F. Subject na ito is DSA, which is Data Scalability Analytics. So, I created a simple relational database with three tables, which is customers, orders, and product. Dito sa customers table stores customer details like customer ID, customer name, customer email, then yung phone address nila. So, dito naman sa orders table is the list products with product ID, customer ID, order date, and yung quantity. So, sa product naman, sa product table is nakalist yung product ID, the product name, and the price, and also the stock quantity. At dito naman yung naka dito naman yung sa relationship nila, which is dun sa customers is um connect dun sa after sa customer pupunta sa orders, and after sa orders is pupunta ka sa product. And ang differences ng relational and NoSQL database is ang relational database, which is the RDBMS, stores data in tables with rows and columns like this. It uses SQL or structured query language for managing data. It's more structured and easy to design using tools like the MS Access or MySQL, where you can create tables and relationship without coding. Sa NoSQL's database is stores data in documents, or which is yung kadalasang ginagamit siya sa pamamagitan ng coding o programming sa NoSQL po. Yan lang po.